To get retweets, basically you have to find a way to attract some attention to yourself. So there's a few ways. You could hold a contest, you could take a poll, or you could offer a discount. Hashtag event, hashtag winner, and hashtag offer tend to get the most retweets, those specific words. But offer it a few times throughout the day to make sure that your followers see it, because a lot of them are not going to see it the first time. Whatever you do though, just pay attention to which ideas creates the largest number of retweets and then focus on those types of posts, if you will. You might also do a list, specifically top 10 lists. Top 10 lists get several times more shares than any other top whatever number. Top 10 is number 1. Just remember though that Twitter is sort of a special kind of social media, and you need to attract people in less space, so you have to focus on the headlines even more. What I would do here to get some good ideas is go to Upworthy.com. Upworthy.com is the fastest growing website of all time, and they tend to use a two-phrase headline, and I'm going to steal this one from Wikipedia. But for example, somebody gave some kids some scissors. Here's what happened next. Some people call this link bait. To me, that's just good marketing. Twitter's only giving you 140 characters, so you have to make the most of it. So Upworthy.com is going to have great ideas for ways to craft your tweets. So let's say you come up with an idea for a tweet, and you're not sure whether it's going to be something that people will click on. And you can use this for whatever social media website you want, but it's particularly helpful for Twitter when basically what you're doing is writing headlines. You can go to this site, aminstitute.com/headline, and this is going to tell you the emotional marketing value of your headline. So it analyzes each word because certain words evoke certain emotions and are more likely to be clicked on, because people tend to read the news based on the types of emotions that the headlines of the articles elicit from them. And so you just take your headline or your headlines and you put them in the box there, and you pick a category, and then you just submit it for analysis. Once you've done that, you can see you're going to get a score from 0 to 100. Basically, you want anything over 30. If it's less than 30, you definitely want to change it up a little bit. And it's going to give you a little description of what the words in your headline tend to mean as far as the emotions that they get from people. aminstitute.com/headline from the Advanced Marketing Institute. As far as tweeting and getting retweets, just ask a question. Ask your followers what they want to learn more about. And this will give you ideas for posts for your blog, or services they'd like you to offer, or something they'd like to see your company do. You can even ask them if they have any questions so that you can get some good ideas for posts or content or products, services. Twitter's great at building awareness and getting stuff out very quickly, but it tends to be one of the more passive forms of media. So I'd recommend bridging it with other types, and you can do that through YFrog. That's just YFROG. Those are popular photo sharing services, and then there's Audioboo, which is good for audio files, and of course YouTube.